This is cooking with, man, we have shirts that are fashionable.
We live? Are we rolling? Oh my gosh, we're rolling.
We are rolling.
Holy cow. This is amazing. I've never seen a recipe like this before.
Gosh, exactly. Oh my goodness gracious.
That's a big bowl?
Yeah. We're mixing all of the ingredients together.
No separating dry and wet?
No, because it's not gonna be
Big enough? Bigger? Biggest?
Biggest. The bigger is.
Same size.
No, it's not.
We'll fork it out.
Fork it out.
4 cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip.
No.
Oh.
What? No.
Sugar cookies. German sugar cookies.
I'm not 100%. I'll have to ask my coworker again about that.
Well, I'm German, so they are now German sugar cookies. I helped in the process of making them.
And we'll put them in the oven. 1 cup of sugar. Now we need measure me out.
I'm warming up butter.
We're gonna need both.
I'll help them warm them up. Whole bag.
No.
Whole bag.
No.
Whole bag.
A cup.
It's a sugar cookie.
We need 1 cup. And that's
Whole
it.
bag.
Oh, this is a cup. This is like 2 cups.
You didn't measure the second cup. You didn't measure the second cup.
No, I said no. This is 2 cups.
Okay.
This is 12 ounces, which is like a cup and a half. Alright, so we need. So put the butter in there. Put the butter in there, butter boy.
I did hear. I don't know how much I appreciate your tone. I just took a bite out of this butter.
Don't think about it. It's fat. It's just pure fat. There's no.
I'm doing really good on my calorie count today. I can afford it. It was making me do the trouble.
That's why you're here. It's in my house.
Yes, in his house. With his fancy new oven.
Hey, I brought the ingredients. That's like. Actually, that is the.
This country crock?
Huh?
I knew it was country crock off the flavor.
You mean what? There's no milk in it.
I knew it was country crock though. I know the flavor.
That makes no sense.
I know the flavor.
The flavor of what?
The butter.
You haven't had country crock.
Yes, I have.
Dairy-free butter.
I sure have.
When have you ever had that?
Back when I lived with Mike.
It wasn't a thing back then.
Yeah, it was.
No, it wasn't.
It tastes just like country crock, so I recognize the taste.
Well, I guess that's a good thing then. Alright, so we need 4. Yeah, actually, you can start messing with that. So we need 4.5 cups of flour.
Cutting in the butter.
Yeah, cut in the butter.
Cutting in the butter.
Cut it good.
What kind of cookies are we making again?
Did you wash out some of your brain in the shower?
I think that was argon, yes.
Say argon?
Yeah.
What's argon?
It's a neutral gas. Its specific term is shucks.
I don't think that would be the.
No, it's not that. It's huh?
That was number 3.
I need a bigger bowl.
No. Do you have a bigger bowl?
No.
Okay. We'll have to make it.
Perhaps.
Half a cup. So I got cream of tartar.
It's not cream, that's powder. It's powder of tartar. That's powder.
I don't know why it's powder.
That's powder.
It's powder.
Whole bottle?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No.
You pour a little in my hand, I want to see what it tastes like.
I'm not gonna tell you what's in it. Remember, I think it's baking soda. I think that's what's in it. Baking soda and like cornstarch. I think that's what that is.
Was it sour?
Gotta be a kick to it. Right away from the reaction. It's like you're dying by and you're like, can I get another bite?
Oh no, that's flavor yet. Try again.
Smell this. This is almond.
Ooh.
What's it smell like?
It smells good.
Does it smell like cherries at all?
No. Yes, actually, what?
Yes, it's kind of weird. It has water, alcohol, bitter almond. Alright, only other thing we need is 2 eggs beaten. Oh man. What my hug at?
10 cents of where you hug it.
I haven't seen you since last year.
On New Year's Day.
Let me move the camera. Let's see this in action. Yeah. How does that feel?
Familiar.
What? What do you mean by that?
What about it?
I don't. Yeah, never mind. I don't need to know.
Say that as a child, I used to make quite a few mud puddles.
You making mud cakes?
Yes.
I feel like instead of gummy worms, you just used worms.
No, I suck like actual mud. Not the thing. I don't like mud cake. I don't like the confectionery treats.
Why?
Gummy worms in a cake? And it's not even cake. It's crushed up Oreo bits
That is so
with pudding at the bottom. I don't like pudding to begin with.
You don't like pudding?
I don't like pudding.
That surprisingly looks way better than I was thinking it would.
Oh, did you wash your hands? Twice, and I showered.
No, he actually told me he didn't wash his hands for extra flavor.
Okay. What, showered, use the bathroom?
1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of oil, and then some other stuff.
Sounds like the ingredients to a pound cake.
Yeah, pretty much.
Why is there a pocket of flour at the bottom?
It always is at the bottom. It's because all the stuff and then the liquid's at the top and then it makes a puddle. Yeah, but it looks good. And you're doing a great... This actually... You know what? You using your hands, I thought it would have been way more messy. No, it looks good.
I am skilled with my hands.
You're skilled with your hands. Yeah, that should be good. And then we figure it out. So,
Indeed.
now, with these cookies, what we're gonna do next. So we mix them all together. We're gonna scoop them. We're going to roll them in powdered sugar, and then we're gonna set them on the tray, flatten them with like a cup. And no, we're not gonna cover them in powdered sugar. We're just gonna put them on the tray, get a cup, bottom of the cup, powdered sugar, press them down, then we cook them for.
I almost prefer them like this over the actual cookie version. Granted, I've never had homemade sugar cookies. I always buy them in the box.
You poor simple man. Christmas sugar cookies are the best. I'm gonna pause it here, and then we'll record the rest later. What? No.
You have top of sugar cookie with icing?
Huh?
Are you not supposed to top a sugar cookie with like that icing stuff?
Not all sugar cookies. This one, no.
Okay.
This is German. They don't like icing.
Okay, that's very bigoted of you.
Get put some shenanigans.
Yeah.
These cookies are gonna be good, I can tell. But you can tell how old they are, because like a cup of powdered sugar is not something I've seen inside anything unless it's old or from the Great Depression.
They do like their cup of powdered sugar in their recipes back then. My brownies had 3 cups of powdered sugar.
It's because everyone was poor back then. Now we have even more poor.
Yeah.
Being adult.
Okay.
Perfect.
Only one batch.
Yes. And then the rest I'll make on Monday. Yes, we pour powdered sugar. And I will post the rest of this later.